Hi, I'm MomDas and I welcome you all to MomDas Life Handmade. Today's video is really a challenge for me, and this challenge has been thrown by Arlynn's Country Craft Corner and Kim's Sweet Daisy Creations, and I'm pretty intimidated by their bow toppers. They are very beautiful, they are fancy, they have this lovely ribbons, swags. I never made a bow topper, and this would be my first attempt at making a bow topper. I really thought of giving up this challenge, but then I thought every time I participate, I meet so many people, and it's great to meet like-minded people. So I thought I'd give it a try, and let's see how I did my lantern with a bow topper, a tray, and how do I decorate all this in my today's challenge, today's video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the red subscribe button given below the video, or hit the icon given in the bottom right corner of the video. So let's begin. Please visit Arlynn's and Kim's channel. I've put a link to both the channels in the description box below and to the playlist that they have created, where you can see many beautiful lanterns with bow toppers and swags and decorations like that. Zooming in, here is my lantern, and you can see I have put some silver and golden ribbons inside it, and the bulb has a flickering yellow light, which I like it. And here is my first attempt with bow topper. Oh, I have just managed it somehow with this muted gold ribbon, and added 2 flowers to it. I dare not put a demo video on this. And I've placed it over 2 lovely fall colored books, Amelia Jane and the Faraway Tree collection from my children's book collection. Little flowers and my white tray to give contrast to all this. So I've kept to the color scheme of white and fall with gold and oranges and browns. And believe me, these beautiful flowers are actually cones, pine cones. Some kind of pine, I believe. And this little cat is actually a toy for the kids. They can, these are the rings to be stacked, and I love this one. I hope you liked my lantern with bow topper display. Thanks for watching. Please give a like and drop in a comment. Do subscribe. See you in my next video.